pala yung outfit natin for today. Medyo nagkulang lang tayo sa part na to. That way, you can use it as a phone. Me? Kain.
Please subscribe!
Upo ka na kasi. Never again. Uy, grabe, bakit?
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
Let's run away! I'll be your best friend. No fair. I'll be your best friend. How about I give you $5? I bet your mom would let me. What's the big deal? I have dreams, you know.
Baby Bears, busy day. Morning. Good night. Hello, baby bear. Open your eyes. The sun is rising in the sky. Your tummy says it's time to eat. Baby bear, go take a peek. Your friends are playing hide and seek. Peekaboo. All done with this one?
Ada, look. Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I'm going to leave.
Good morning.
Ada, look.
Ito kami ngayon sa fully booked again. At yung aking bunso, ilang araw na siya nag-iaya mag-bookstore. And we haven't been here for parang 3 days na. Now we're here. Dumaan pala ako kanina sa SM Aura to get some tumbler para kay Daddy. I have this one for me and I got him one. The one that I got for him is ito, blue one. Great for his water. Tapos papalitan ko lang yung kanyang cover ng ganito. That way, you can use it as a phone stand. Leopard.
Say good night.
Baby bear, good night. This one is enjoying this book. It's like a comic book.
Mommy, I kind of
Comics.
like comics.
Me too.
Yeah. I started liking comics in LaSalle.
Did you?
The library, there were so many comics.
Really?
Like from the comic Dogman. It's like
Yeah.
Lord of the Fleas is not the same as Lord of the Rings.
This one just loves anything that's made by Eric Carle. Eric Carle. Eric Carle.
Eric.
Eric Carle. That's his. Eric Carle. Eric Carle. And another Eric Carle there. Let's go home? No? Oh my gosh. Good afternoon. I am so happy. I don't know. Ay. Ayan. Kita nyo ba ako? Teka, para masyado maliwanag. Hinaan natin. Ayan, guys! Ang ingay naman mga anak ko. Kuya, dito na ako sa bahay. Try natin. Baka natutuwa talaga ako. Andito yung mga kids. Ayan. Ganyan sila usually. Kanya-kanya silang kilos at galaw. And what are we gonna have today, my love? What do you want for Dindins?
Something that Nini can cook.
You want to cook?
Yes.
So lately, Lily has been wanting to cook more. And nagpapaturo siya sa akin, nagpapaturo siya sa daddy niya magluto. And sinusuportahan naman namin siya by letting her cook. For the past 3 days na ata, she's been cooking her own food. So sobrang proud kami ng daddy niya sa kanya. Nakakaligaya naman tong camera natin. Ayan, kailangan ito magmamadalas na tayong mag-vlog. Ito pala yung outfit natin for today. Finally, nasuot ko ng itong ating dress na ito. I've bought this sa Dubai. Para mga 2 years ago na. 2 years, gano'n na siya katagal. And never ko pa siyang nasuot kasi hindi siya kasya sa akin. And you guys know that lately I've been losing so much weight. And tinry ko yung mga damit na hindi kasya sa akin. Ano yan, kamasya na siya sa akin ngayon. I love it. Medyo nagkulang lang tayo sa part na to. Bumabagsak to kasi isa sa mga nabawasan kapag nag-lose ako ng weight is eto talaga. But yeah, so nice. Grabe, 2 years talaga bago siya nagkasya.
But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon, but it's so wider, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard, but maybe one day we can break the distance.
Good morning! Good morning, everyone. I thought you said you want to walk the dogs. Kaya na itong batang to, nagising. And out of nowhere, sinabi niya lang, let's get Papi, let's get Vinsoy, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, let's walk the dogs, the white dogs. Maganon pa siya. So, sabi ko, baka namimiss niya yung aming mga babies. So, try ko today kung makukuha natin yung dogs. Actually, tatanong ko sa baba kasi ang alam ko, ang allowed lang na pet dito is 1 dog lang. I'm not sure, I have to double check pero ito double check ko sa kanila. Hopefully, pareho sila po pwede. Anyway, mag-makeup lang ako, mga mami. I am using my NARS concealer. Tagal-tagal na natin din nag-vlog ng ganitong raw vlog. Let me know in the comment section kung prefer nyo ba yung ganito. Kasi madalas, lately, what I do is I will vlog like throughout the week or like 2 to 3 days worth na vlog. Tapos more on montage lang, ganyan. And then, pinagsama ko na lang in one video. Tapos hindi ako masyadong chika na. But also that means hindi ako makakapag-vlog makakapag-upload on a daily na everyday. Pero pag ganitong mga vlogs kasi, kaya ng everyday. Kasi mas madali siyang i-edit. And also, long enough. I listen kasi guys sa mga comments ninyo. May mga nagko-comment na ayaw nila ng machika masyado. Kaya lang, ayan nga, pag di naman ako chumichika, maiksi masyado yung video na bibitin yung iba. So, gagawin ko pagsasama-samahin ko yung ilang araw. Ending, madalang tayo mag-upload kasi syempre, 3 days yung isang video, tapos another 3 days, parang 2 videos lang siya sa isang linggo. So, let me know sa comment section kung ano yung mas prefer nyo. Kaya naman natin mag daily vlog and daily upload. Kaya lang, syempre, may konting chika dyan. Expect nyo na yan. Anyway, kilay na tayo. Tagal-tagal na rin ako hindi nakakapag-ayos-ayos ng ganito mga may makakapagkikilay. Ganyan. Makeup. So, ang plano ko sana today, ako lang aalis. Tapos, susunduin ko si mama sa Cavite. But then, kaya lang andito sa asin nila natulog. I heard na she hasn't had a good, parang good day at work ata. Or good night at work. Which is part of the job, diba? Kapag nasa BPO ka. So, niyaan ko lang muna siya magpahinga. And then, ano ba ginawa ko? Eyeshadow. Konting kulay-kulay. Magkakulay-kulay lang mga mi. okay na tayo dyan. I'll use yung ating bronzer na Laguna para hindi masyadong maputi yung face natin. Diyan. Today is Sunday. It's 2:33 in the afternoon. Day off ngayon ni Sassy. So, chance ko na to get out of the house so I can edit yung mga clips na hindi ko pa na-edit. Ang dami kong vlogs na hindi ko pa na-edit. And, ayun, I just need to edit. I just need to get it done. So, pupunta tayo ngayon. I'm thinking of going to a coffee shop. Yung madalas kong pinupuntahan. One of my favorite coffee shop, yung Elephant Grounds. I wanna go there kasi hindi pa ako kumakain all day. And I love their rice bowl doon na salmon. Meron silang salmon doon na tuwing pupunta ako, that's what I order. And then, maybe later, kasi marami-rami tayong vlog na i-edit, ano? I can't stay in just one place. Tapos mag-order na isang bagay, tapos ang tagal, 5 hours ako doon. So, I'll probably move to another coffee shop. That way, I can edit there as well. Hindi ko alam kung narinig ba yung hangin. This is the first time I'm gonna try this camera sa labas na medyo mahangin. So, yung mic na gamit ko dito, I think is yung front. Hopefully, hindi siya ganun kaingay. So, chinek ko yung clips. Medyo maingay siya. So, I'll be using yung ating microphone. Isusuot ko na to siya. So, what I got is Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So, may kasama na siyang isang mic. And meron pa siya, alam ko, yung parang pangatlo. Combo sila na yung isa, dalawa yung mic na kasama. But I don't really need 2 mics since daily vlogger tayo. And then, gamitin natin yung magnet na kasama niya. Ayan. I don't know if you guys can hear me better. So, this is going to be a sample clip. At malalaman natin yung ganda ng mic at yung difference ng internal mic compare dito sa transmitter na kasama. Anyway, ayan, dito na pala yung sasakyan. Andiyan na daw yung sasakyan. So, let's go. Pumasok na siya sa loob ng building. Sakit ang legs ko. Ayan. So, doon siya guys located. Nakita yung mga orange na umbrella. Diyan siya. That's what I'm talking about. Sarap. I also got honeycomb latte. Kain. Thank you po. Okay po. Wow.
Secret in Asia. So we did Asia's 10 best kept secrets. The first one, we used Gemini to also to
rediscovering the Philippines. So it's a 10-part series, and our target audience is actually the Filipinos, the locals. So it's a travel series for the locals, not really for foreigners. So we added this, for the concept, we added this budget element. So we did not come up with a specific budget for each location yet, but we'll be on a budget, so there's the challenge element added. And under that,
Nahiya na si Ma'am Nika sa akin. Sabi Ma'am Nika, di ko na-invite next time. It's a flavor explosion waiting to happen. And next clip, so on and so forth. And last clip is outro. For the outro is, so let's get drowning. Remember, it's not just about eating, it's about nourishing your body and the planet. Let's create food revolution, one garden at a time. Hold up and freshly picked tomato. Oh, Gemini missed something. He missed to say, please subscribe and share and hit that like button. See you next episode. Bye. That's our presentation, guys.
Yay!
Where's the last person?
Last person. Yeah, can I see? I'm trying out, yeah?
Hi guys! Uwi na kami. How's the experience? Pangit. Pag nandun ka sa loob ng room, ma-feel mo na surrounded ka ng tao na tatalino, ganun. Sabi mo kanina, with great mind. Creative mind. Creative mind. Wala
Ganun.
sila, hindi kami nagpang-abot. Nakita ko siya, hindi niya nakita, guys. Hindi sinabi sa akin. Hi, Coach Laika. Tinitignan ko pa siya kanina. Tignan ng ganda ako sa kanya. Hindi tayo nagpang-abot. Nakakasad. Nasad ako. Pero nagkita kami ni Chief McCoy. So, katatapos lang ng event na inattend na namin sa Google Office, which is a YouTube Creator Program event, where they share this new tool that creators can use on creating videos, which is so fascinating, diba?
So cool.
So cool daw. So, ngayon, we're just trying to book a ride. Wala akong mahanap na sasakyan. So, tatry namin mag-book ng angkas. So, gusto ko sana makauwi na kasi mag-8 o'clock na. Wala talaga nag-accept ng aming booking. Ilang klase na ng sasakyan. Wala talaga. There's no drivers around. So, I give up. Bahala. Lakad tayo. Rain, rain, go away. So, mag-end na lang. Ayan. See. Upo ka na kasi. May upuan naman. Kasya ka dyan. Ito naman. Pag ikaw tumalasik. Uy, baka na mag-bus tayo. Nag-bus kami ni Sassy. Si! Bus! Hi guys! Never again! Uy, grabe, bakit? Mura lang! Ang parang, 12? Pwede na. Pa SM Ora, tapos pabalik. Diba?
Wala akong masakyan.
Wala kang payong, kagaya namin ng payong. And we're home. Kamusta naman yung iyong minibus ride?
What a day.
Hindi ko magtatampo sa amin si Lily pag nalaman na nag-minibus tayo. Ay, check tayo ng ating wala pang bills. Let's go.
Ay, hindi. Fresh pa. Ang saan ako?
Ayoko niya ipakita. Ayan.
Ay, fresh pa.
Ay, syempre. Ayan guys. So, ito nagantay tayo doon ng angkas.
Wala na.
At tapos naka-extra lakad kami ng konti. Ayaw talaga humarap sa'yo, babe. Ito lang bakit. Tara kami. Good evening, everyone. It is now 11:12 p.m. The kids are in bed. Pinatulog ko sila mga around 9:30 to 10. Siguro mga nakatulog sila mga 10 p.m. So, which is late, kasi usually their bedtime is like 7. Tapos nagigising sila ng 5. Which is, mas prefer ko sana ng ganun. Kaya lang, guys, it's kind of like not ideal ngayon na nasa UK yung aking mister. Ating mister. Maraming asawa ng mister ko. Anyway, since nasa UK Phil, yung time difference, parang 4 p.m. pa lang doon, dito 11 na. So, mga gantong oras pa lang kami nakakapag-usap before my bedtime. We would usually tatawag siya ng mga gantong oras, mga 4 p.m. doon, 11 p.m. sa atin. And then, mag-usap kami ng 1 hour and a half. Kaya, so, nakakatulog na ako mga 12 to 1 o'clock. And kapag yung bedtime ng mga kids is around 7 p.m. pa rin, yung gising nila is 5. So, 1 kung nakatulog ako ng 1, magigising sila ng 5. So, I only get parang 4 hours of sleep. So, hindi kaya ng powers ko. So, kailangan namin i-adjust yung bedtime ng mga kids. Which is, okay din naman, you know. As long as they get enough sleep, parang okay na siya. I have this mask on. Nakalimutan ko ng brand ito. Pero nakita ko to siya sa aking stack ng face mask. So apply ko siya sa face ko kasi I thought, why not, diba? Self-care. Self-care. I don't remember where I got this from, pero ayan. Pero in-apply ko lang siya sa face ko, tapos yung the rest nung nasa product, nasa pack, yun ko siya. Parang nilagay ko sa neck, sa arms, ganyan. Anyway, just want to end this vlog here. Sana nagustuhan yung video na to. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Good night.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.